OceanGate, known for providing tours of the Titanic wreck, has been offering a high-risk travel experience since 2021, attracting enthusiasts willing to pay up to $250,000 per person. The tragic events surrounding the Titan underscore the inherent risks involved in such ventures. An interesting fact is that the Titan submarine operated by cheap video game controller just £42 on Amazon. U.S. Air Force gear lands in St. John's to aid in the search for the missing submersible. French government sends underwater vehicle to aid in last-chance effort to save Titanic sub-passengers. Most importantly, it is being reported that a Canadian military surveillance aircraft detected underwater noises tapping sounds at 2 a.m. local time by sonar in the search area as a massive operation continued early on Wednesday, implying that crew may be alive and signaling. The oxygen deadline for the 5 crew members trapped on the Titan submersible has passed in a heartbreaking moment on Wednesday afternoon. Experts had predicted that the air supplies would last only until 12:08 p.m. as a fleet of rescue vessels carrying cutting-edge equipment gathered on the surface above. The 5 people aboard the submersible that went missing on Sunday were presumed dead on Thursday, after an international search that gripped much of the world found debris from the vessel near the wreckage of the Titanic. Rear Admiral John Mauger, who is leading the search for Titan, says, "The debris is consistent with a catastrophic loss of the pressure chamber." Upon this determination, we immediately notified the families. He added that the Coast Guard wants to extend our condolences to the families of those on board. Let's talk about what is catastrophic implosion. Before that, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates and notification. A catastrophic implosion refers to the collapse or failure of a structure or vessel caused by overwhelming internal pressure. When the pressure within a confined space becomes too much for the structure to bear, it gives way suddenly and forcefully, leading to a catastrophic collapse. The international search for a tourist submersible that disappeared while exploring the Titanic shipwreck in the North Atlantic has shifted from a rescue to recovery mission. Debris from craft located. What will be the next steps in the rescue mission? The U.S. Coast Guard also announced that remote operating vehicles, ROVs, would continue to operate on the seafloor, meticulously investigating the debris fields surrounding the Titanic. While focusing on providing understanding and closure to grieving families, officials expressed the difficulty of recovering the bodies in such a treacherous environment. "This is an incredibly unforgiving environment," Admiral Mauger acknowledged. Where was the Titan submersible discovered? Rescue crews discovered a debris field near the Titanic, approximately 1,600 feet from the ship's bow, according to the Coast Guard. Among the recovered pieces were the Titan's landing frame, rear cover, and tail cone. The debris was located after the submersible was expected to have depleted its oxygen supply. Concerns raised by leaders in the submersible craft industry, who had long warned about possible catastrophic issues with the vehicle's design. They also voiced concerns over OceanGate Expedition's failure to adhere to standard certification procedures. The Titanic film director and deep-sea explorer James Cameron is criticizing the safety of the vessel that was to have explored the wreckage of the Titanic in the depths of the North Atlantic and comparing the cause of the accident to the ocean liner's historic disaster. Cameron said that he believes the Titan's hull began to crack under pressure and that its inside sensors gave the passengers a warning to that effect. "We understand from inside the community that they had dropped their ascent weights and they were coming up, trying to manage an emergency," he said. The Coast Guard is still working to develop details of a timeline of the disaster. He added that underwater robots will remain on the scene to gather information. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.